Most digital marketing courses are out of date the day they're published. The platforms change monthly, but the course you paid $400 for doesn't. Here's the real problem. You don't have a knowledge problem. You have an application problem. So let me show you how to actually learn digital marketing in 2026. What to study, where, and how to keep it from going stale. I'll answer the 5 questions every founder asks. The best courses for beginners, where to get advanced certifications, how to learn social media specifically, how to stay current, and how to choose a program that fits you. If you're a beginner starting a small business, start free and start with fundamentals. Google's free training, the Digital Garage and Skillshop, covers the basics of digital marketing, ads, and analytics. HubSpot Academy gives you free, genuinely good certifications in inbound, email, and content. And SEMrush Academy is solid for SEO foundations. Don't spend $1 until you've worked through the free fundamentals. They'll teach you more than most paid beginner courses. When you're ready for advanced certifications, go where the platform itself teaches you. Google Ads and Google Analytics certifications through Skillshop and Meta Blueprint for Facebook and Instagram ads are the credentials that actually map to skills you'll use. For deeper, structured learning, university-backed specializations on Coursera are worth it. The rule: pick the certification for the one channel you're going deep on. Don't collect badges you'll never apply. For social media specifically, here's the catch. It changes too fast for any course to keep up. Use HubSpot Academy and Meta Blueprint for the fundamentals, but get the current tactics from practitioners who are actually running campaigns right now. The sharp creators, newsletters, and channels in your niche. And learn by doing. A month of actually posting and reading your analytics will teach you more than 10 hours of video. Which brings me to the most important skill of all, staying updated. This is the real game, because the field reinvents itself constantly. Follow a few high signal newsletters and podcasts. Follow people who run campaigns instead of just teaching them. And test what you learn on your own accounts. Treat staying current as the ongoing discipline, not a one-time course you finish. So how should you choose a program as a founder? Don't try to learn everything. Learn the one thing that's your bottleneck right now. If it's traffic, study SEO or ads. If it's conversion, study copy and email. Pick application-focused training over theory, and be honest about the most expensive resource you have, your time. Sometimes the smartest move isn't a 40-hour course. It's learning enough to delegate it well, and that's exactly where we come in. At Joe to Joe, we don't just hand founders a course and wish them luck. We keep our clients current on what's actually working, and we implement it for them. Strategy, production, and execution. So the latest digital marketing isn't something you have to study at midnight. It's something running on your behalf. Learn what you want to learn and let us handle the rest. So here's your move. Pick the single biggest bottleneck in your marketing right now and go learn just that one thing this week, free from the sources I mentioned. Depth beats a pile of half-finished courses. And if you'd rather have a team that stays current and implements it for you, that's what we do at Joe to Joe. Links in the description. Stop collecting courses. Start applying one. See you in the next one.